Hello, my name is Dániel Margócsy. I'm a historian of science at the University of Cambridge. Together with Koen Vermeir, I am co-editor of the Techne book series at Brepulse. Techne is a series that publishes books that focus on the history of skills, craft knowledges, and any aspect of technology from 1400 to today across the whole globe. We are interested in publishing volumes that focus on the cultures of artisans, craftsmen, scientific practitioners, artists, and other people. We investigate the material culture of knowledge production. We study how the mind and the hand interact in producing any kind of scientific, technological, or other sort of knowledge. This is a book series that was started 2 years ago, and we have already published a number of volumes. These volumes include Sven Duprey's edited volume on perspective as practice, the anthropological monograph of Arnaud Dubois on the production of color in contemporary art, as well as source editions such as David Aubin's recent publication on César-François Cassini de Thury's astronomical and mathematical dialogues, as well as Céline Le Galle's monograph and source publication of the 18th century Italian scholar Giovanni Pollani and his writings on maritime technology. Our series also involves a sub-series edited out of Paris called Global Matters, and they have just released a wonderful edited volume by Ariane Fennetto and others titled Objet Nomade. Our audiences are historians of science and technology, historians of art, scholars in media studies, anthropology, and the sociology of science. We publish volumes in English and French, and we are also open to submissions in German. Whether you're interested in publishing a monograph, a source edition, or an edited volume, we very much welcome if you contact us. And if you are interested in these topics, please buy our volumes. We work with Brepulse, where we have an excellent editorial team. The volumes that we produce are beautiful. They are produced with the help of high-quality designers, and you receive a lot of personal attention throughout the production process. If you have any questions about the book series, please do not hesitate to contact either Koen or myself or our editor at Brepulse, Alexander Sterkens. I hope to hear from you soon.